Howdy, folks. We're live at 8:22. I got 20 spots down here at the bottom that I'm going to copy and take over to random in just a second after we take a look at what we're playing for. Nice molded face Luke Jedi, 20 spots in the main here, which is where we are, that I'm going to paste over here at random. I got 20. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better. As you know, we got a 7. So we're battling. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Nate takes round 1 and 2. Carlos round 3. Michael takes round 4. Trey on top in round 5 with number 20. Michael on top in our next to last round, round 6 with number 18, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go, and our winner is Carlos Beltran in a number 5. Congrats, Carlos. Here's the verification. We'll make it legit. JMPPWD is our verification code. Again, Carlos in at number 5 is the champ. I am done at 8:23 p.m. One last time. There's the results. Congrats, Carlos. See you next time, guys. Thanks.